Hello my fellow creators, this is another project that I've done on the book Watercolor World by Anna Mason. This was not included on her online tutorial class. So the drawing illustration, the paints to be used are all provided in this book. So there's a stage-by-stage instruction on how you can come out to paint this garden bird. There's instruction on how to mix the colors and the water consistency here. So it is just a matter of my own color mixing, my brush strokes, and my water consistency, and most important is my will and determination to finish this beautiful painting subject. Because in that way, I learned the power of perseverance, the persistence in doing something despite difficulties. So this garden bird is not easy subject to paint. There's so much hues and tones, as well as the feathers direction. So I have a video of my review on this book. I will put the link on the description down below, so please check it out. And to paint this, I really need my own judgment on how I will carry out her instruction in the book. So I won't take too much on explaining how I came out to this beautiful bird painting. I have videos to share to all of you, so I hope you enjoy, sit back and relax, and I hope to see you again on my next series of videos. And please don't forget to subscribe to my arts channel. Bye everyone.